Professor Gabor Kovacs is internationally regarded for his contribution to medicine. Currently the International Medical Director of Monash IVF, he has had a distinguished career in general obstetrics and gynecology, as well as in reproductive endocrinology and infertility.
Well, I was born in Hungary after the war, and when I was a young boy, I had an uncle there who was a GP. And although he used to do nasty things to me, like giving my injections, even as a 5-year-old, I remember I thought that I would love to be a doctor because it seemed a really interesting job. I arrived in Melbourne in 1957 as a 10-year-old, could not speak a word of English, but I was terribly lucky to have lots of people help me along the way. I was fortunate enough that my what was called matriculation results enabled me to choose between Monash and Melbourne universities, and I chose Monash because it seemed really progressive. And I've had some really terrific teachers as an undergraduate.
A chance encounter saw Professor Kovacs join Monash IVF in 1978. He was a pioneer in the development and success of the program and has established himself as a leading expert in the field. Professor Kovacs has written 5 books and edited 6 textbooks.
Well, I got involved in fertility when I was gynecology registrar at Prince Henry's Hospital. Fortunately, in those days they had a doctor's dining room. This meant that when you came in for lunch, you just took the next available seat. And one day, Professor Wood came in just after me and sat down next to me. But over lunch, I was saying to him how I went to this exciting lecture and how I was interested in subfertility. And Carl said to me, look, we're about to restart the IVF unit again. Would you like to come and join us? So that's how I got involved in IVF, and it was probably the luckiest lunch of my life. My career highlights, I guess, were my first IVF pregnancy, and that's Julian Stokes, who turned 30 on the 5th of December this year.
Professor Kovacs holds a professorial position at Monash and is a mentor to medical students and young gynecologists.
I love bumping into medical students who are now specialists, and in fact some of my students are professors, some are even Monash professors, and it's really nice seeing around the place that, gee, they were my students and look how well they're doing now.
Monash University applauds Gabor Kovacs for his extensive service to medicine in gynecology, obstetrics and IVF